4 adhyayas or 4 chapters, right?
Around
Chapter 1, chapter 2,
around 3 chapters will be covered.
Around 3. All slokas are explained, or some important slokas are
Some
explained?
slokas will be explained. So here, I guess Mr. Chandrasekhar sir already explained you all. Here we are coming up with a different theme. We are going concept connecting to subject of Bhagavad Gita. See, taking every sloka and coming to Bhagavad Gita, everyone is doing. Every spiritual guru is doing nowadays. So that part we are not doing now. So we are coming up with a subject. So how mind functions, how goals need to be done, or how art of parenting should be, where actually we go wrong. And from Bhagavad Gita, we are interconnecting the slokas and coming up with that. So I guess most of them are still confused. That's why eagerly waiting only the slokas to be chanted. Yeah. So that is the thing. That is the purpose. So it is more of subjective. You will learn more of subject so that you can apply in your life.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Yeah, Srilata garu.
యా ఇందాక పాజిటివ్ నెగటివ్ గురించి చెప్తూ ఉన్నాం. యాక్సెప్టెన్స్ గురించి చెప్పారు. ఓకే. దాంట్లో సో నాకు అనిపించింది ఏంటంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సంట్రేషన్.
Lack of willingness. Lack of willingness.
So if you are preparing a food, we want to prepare food and it should be tasty. అది willingness ఏ కదా. కానీ నెగటివ్ థాట్స్ ఏమన్నా గుర్తుకొస్తూ ఉంటే ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కమింగ్ ఇంటూ దిస్.
So you are not having willingness to ignore your negative thoughts and focus on your food. Okay, so it is a very deeper level which I cannot say as on a straightforward of it, but that is the fact reason. If you go for a movie, when you're watching movie of your favorite star or you're desperately interested, can you recall all these things? You will not recall. If you have visited your favorite spot along with your family which you was waiting very desperately from a very long time, will you go there and recall the negative memories? You will not. Why? Because you are not willing. You want to enjoy it. You will enjoy it. So everything will come from willingness. When you have the desperate willingness
is in subconscious mind.
Obviously. And consciously you need to keep effort. See, consciously you need to keep effort. You got programmed. Everyone do have one personality. Okay, so when you know your personality is not accepting few things, it is accepting few things. Okay, when you need to accept few things which are not suitable to your personality, you need to change your personality.
Okay.
If in milk I keep curd, what will happen? If in the curd bowl I keep curd, what will happen? Simple logic. So you have to accept, in the sense you have to become that, so that that comes just a normal thing in your body and your mind. But when you have a different structure of principles, mindset, then things will not. You're just saying, here I want to accept because I don't want to cry. The topper layer is you don't want to react and you don't want to cry. But under beneath that you are having, how can someone do this to me? You want others to change. You want situations to change. You want to have some miracle to happen everywhere. That will never happen.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other queries, please?
అంత మైండ్ కి క్లారిటీగా అనిపించట్లేదు. బట్
అనిపించట్లేదు ఎందుకు అంటే బికాస్ యు ఆర్ ఫోకసింగ్ ఆన్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ బట్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ ఫోకసింగ్ ఆన్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ అండ్ దెన్ ఇంటర్కనెక్ట్ ఇట్ హౌ యూ కెన్ అప్లై ఆన్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. Okay, when you think only about your problem, you will not understand the concept. Then you will think how my problem can come. I can come out of my problem. Don't think about your problem first. Think about the concept. Think about principles. Then see how you can apply it to your problem. Simple. Understand the mathematical theories. Any problem you will get, apply the theory to that in the same way.
ఓకే. అట్లీస్ట్ ప్రతి కాన్సెప్ట్ కి ఒక శ్లోక ఉంటుంది కదా. సో మేము అన్ని శ్లోకాస్ కాదు, మేము నేర్చుకునే అప్లై చేసే దానికి అట్లీస్ట్ శ్లోకాస్ మాకు వస్తాయా? మేము నేర్చుకోవచ్చు అవి చాంట్ చేస్తారా అట్లీస్ట్ భగవద్గీత
నేను
3-4
భగవద్గీతలో శ్లోకాస్ ఇక్కడ చాంట్ చేపించి మీ అందరికి నేర్పిస్తే యువర్ ఆల్ టైమ్ విల్ బి కన్స్యూమ్డ్. సో
No, not everything, only few, because concept wise when we are applying into your
that
life,
chanting part you can do
mistakes
home.
ఉంటాయనే
that for that you can talk to Mr. Chandrasekhar for separate session because it will be time waste. So in this explanation, everyone may not agree, so it comes to the administration part, so sir will address this thing.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Can you also help how to meditation classes?
In Bhagavad Gita sessions I will talk only about subject.
Okay,
if you are thinking about any other aspects, you can discuss with Chandrasekhar. If he designs any other programs, then we can work out on that.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, Divakar, please.
The mind's nature itself is chanchalam.
Absolutely.
It will keep on varying here and there. It cannot be controlled.
Yes.
So I guess Srilata Garu wants to know about the thing that who am I? Because I am not the mind. So maybe when she able to detect what she is about.
No. Her question is not that. Her question I understood.
So she said about her mind is wandering into the negative territory while she is cooking.
Yes.
Okay. So when she is able to see what she is about, she can able to observe her thoughts. So when she is able to see the observer who is observing that negative thought, when she is able to see that observation, I guess she can bring back that mind to the thing where she wants to.
But it is a basic, as we are in level 1, what happens is like, it is combination of various people of various levels.
Right.
So already when people are in problems, what happens? When people are come across problem, what happens? When people are about to face problems. So there are different stages of in life. So when you are struck in a problem, what happens is it's not just about her or me or you, but anyone. Something wrong went on that particular day. Whenever we are moving anywhere, only that point triggers hers. So her perspective is of us asking that question. And another point is our memories will reflect in whatever we are doing. So my cooking will be spoiled because I'm thinking about that part. So I'm saying that's what we need to, when we understand and can analyze the nature of mind, we need to take control over it, and that can be possible only consciously.
Right.
It cannot happen automatically.
So my suggestion again would be the same, that as I have observed, and my friend and my sister also attended the last session, and their feedback was that if you don't break that continuity, because you speak from the heart, which we love it very much, and it goes into the heart. So it shouldn't be broken, because a lot of queries comes off in between. That continuity breaks off. So so we shouldn't be doing that. So my request would be that if the query session would be the afterwards, it would be so nice, because if you able to speak down the subject, as like last time we have that goal setting part we have left out because of that queries and all. So my request would be again the same thing, that you please continue that talk as long as you want it, because you do it very much from your heart, which we love it very much.
Thank you. Once again,
anyhow,
I'll hand over.
Another point is that I will quote from the Gita also, that up to 10th chapter, the Arjuna keeps on asking his queries until he shows his Virat Rupa. He don't he never prostrated. So obviously all questions will mitigate. See, we get a lot of questions, they just pops up. But if you interrupt the guru or the teacher, we will be missing the right point, what the teacher wanted to convey us. So that is my request.
I'm sure. because this is not open, I kept this mic. I want you to convey the same to Mr. Chandrasekhar sir, so that next session, first 10 minutes he'll be talking and he may take up a decision while intimating, because all of you are professionals, and when someone asks a doubt, I can't stop it. That is my problem, as I mentioned earlier. So just 1 second. Yeah. Last time, we were asking doubts.
Yes. Hello.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah. Ask me.
No, just I want to say namaste to you.
Namaste.
I don't have any.
Okay. Any other queries you can ask me? One minute.
I don't have any questions, sir. Actually, I have. I cleared with ma'am that all shlokas are not teaching. Only important shlokas are teaching. That's I knew from ma'am. So I don't have right now any questions.
Okay. See, madam, that whatever the point is there, only important shlokas are taught. That is not a correct statement. Okay. So here,
No, deleted shlokas, not important shlokas.
see
What
here,
ma'am said is.
here what is the process we are following is like, see, for example, there is one shloka in the first chapter, okay, where
Yes, sir.
the Dhritarashtra asked what is my sons are doing and what Pandavas are doing. Okay, this particular shloka can be interpreted in different ways. Okay, so what we are doing is we designed a subject. Okay, only Bhagavad Gita shloka by shloka if we are teaching, then there is no interrelation. Actually, completely there will not be any interrelation, because Arjuna asks some question, based on that particular question he replies something, and that is completely going out of spirituality. We cannot correlate that with any particular subject, because he asked a question and Sri Krishna answered something. So what we made is like, we read all these shlokas, then in that, wherever it is a subject related are there, we have just brought it into, because whatever the answers given by Krishna, 500 plus are there, those all are comes into this particular area, and whatever the questions asked by Arjuna, those will be there, and some shlokas which are related to Sanjaya, it is only like this is what he said. Such things will be there which are said by Sanjaya, so those shlokas will not be included, because that does not carry any meaning also. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's something like Hemanya said something to someone. That's all. There will not be any meaning out of it. So because he is a translator in between, he is just saying which is happening somewhere. So those slokas does not have any meaning. Only one important slokas, around 600 plus are there, which are completely related to the Bhagavad Gita. Other are not related to the answers or questions related. So
Okay,
only those will be considered, and some are at high spirituality level, which are coming in a separate way. That is why, as we already said, we are not going by chapter. Wherever the subject are there, subject related to shloka, those can be. It can be from 3rd chapter, it can be from 6th chapter or 18th chapter. Anywhere we can bring, but that will be related to Bhagavad Gita.
Okay, sir. I understand. Thank you.
Um,
So after every level, some exam like
Assessment will be there. Assessment will be
assessment.
of two types.
Huh.
One is like we'll be giving you a case study. Case study related answers will be you have to
Sent
uh,
to me.
you have to correlate. It is a written related. We'll give you one document, some
Okay.
n number of case studies. In that case studies, which shloka you think like it will be related to that one.
Suitable. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Next thing is second point is like you need to interpret some 10 shlokas in your own way,
Mhm.
which
Okay.
it's something like madam will be discussing about some shlokas on goal setting and some shlokas on parenting related, for example. Then whatever the concepts are discussed under goal setting related, you have to take those shlokas and interpret in a different way. It can be parenting or it can be conscious, subconscious mind, stress, depression, anything. So that is how we can develop interpretation on the shlokas. So till now interpretation on the shlokas are done only on the areas of spirituality, but now we are doing it in a subject way or life skills, social skills related.
Okay. One more question, sir. I think YouTube videos every week only one will be there. The previous one will not be
We will
available.
not be, we will not be keeping those available because the people who have joined, even we need to
Ah.
respect their. So it will be
Okay.
only for the people, and we also request not to share that particular link with
Yeah. Yeah.
any other
That
person.
I understand.
That's all.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
After 1 week, those will be going into private.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, any other queries? Divakar, you have any queries? Or Neeraj Sharma, Jagan Gaurav, and Shipra?
No, sir, no queries.
No
I was just
queries.
only asking that no interruption should not be go while Archana Garu speaks.
Ah,
That is what my request is, because a lot of queries comes up in between. So that shouldn't be there. That continuity should be there so that we can grasp as much we can.
sorry, I didn't get you, sir. Interruption means asking questions.
Right, right.
Okay. See, that will be there because whatever the subject will be
ఏమవుతుందంటే
there.
సార్
Ah,
మనకి మేడం చెప్పినప్పుడు ఏదో ఒక థాట్ వస్తుంది, ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాం, మేడం దాన్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నారు, దాంట్లో టైం కన్జ్యూమ్ అయిపోతుంది. లాస్ట్ టైం
okay.
గోల్ సెట్టింగ్ అందుకే అవ్వలేదు. సో మనకి ఎలాగా హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం కదా లాస్ట్ లో
Yes.
క్వారీస్ కానీ. సో
Yeah.
అక్కడ మాక్సిమం టైం పెట్టుకుంటే బాగుంటుంది అని నా అభిప్రాయం.
Yes, yes. We already discussed the same thing. Okay.
అంతే.
See, people has
Because
to adjust only.
మేడం
See,
చెప్పేది
it is
చాలా
all,
అద్భుతం. నా ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ వినండి. ఏంటంటే
Yeah.
మేడం చెప్పేది చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉంది.
okay.
ఆవిడ హృదయంతో మాట్లాడుతుంది. ఆ ఫ్లో వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం దాన్ని ఇంటరప్ట్ చేయకూడదు.
Yes.
అప్పుడు మాక్సిమం థింగ్స్ వస్తాయన్నమాట. అదంత హార్డ్ గా అంటే ప్రిపేర్ చేసి షీ స్పీక్స్ అబౌట్ ఫర్ ద సెషన్ ఓన్లీ.
Yes, yes.
సో అందులో ఇంటరప్ట్ చేస్తే అవుతుందంటే అవి కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ ఉండిపోతాయి.
Yes.
అందుకని అంతే, అంతకన్నా ఏం లేదు.
Done. Sir, this is what we already informed from the first class. It's only like might be many of the participants who are there, they might have disconnected from the education sector almost, either it can be 10 years or so. Okay. So it's always like, because Bhagavad Gita is an open subject, it is always happens. So 1 or 2 classes, I think 100% people will adjust to the system. Questions should be asked only at the later part. Once total concept will and whatever the lecture Archana madam will closes, then after the topic she will be open. Something like conscious mind, subconscious related, if something is she was sharing, then conscious mind related, whatever the subject is there, she deliver. Then later she will put a full stop to that particular topic. Then later it will be open for the questions. So once any queries are there, then we'll move for the next subject. That is how we'll practice, and I'll also share the same with madam and also with the team also. And next Sunday, before starting the class, I'll just talk to everyone once again that the queries should be asked even for the Windows. In the group also, I was mentioning the same thing. Just people has to follow it. 1 or 2 classes, everything goes fine, I think.
Yeah, hello sir. Can we have a chance of chanting at least one sloka, at least for 1 week, Sundays, at least 10 minutes for that?
Chanting a shloka.
Only at least one sloka, because at least one or twice, so that what we know Telugu or Sanskrit, we know everything. But the thing is, where to stop and how to stop, and we need to pronounce it. Just once.
Okay.
సో దట్ అట్‌లీస్ట్ మేము భగవద్గీత క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాము. అట్‌లీస్ట్ ఒక శ్లోక అది మేము లైఫ్‌లో అప్లై చేసుకుంటాము. బట్ ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ అవి అప్లై సబ్‌కాన్షియస్ గురించి ఒక శ్లోక ఉంది.
Yes.
దాని గురించి ఒక శ్లోక అట్‌లీస్ట్ మాకొస్తే, సో దట్ అది చాంటింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ దట్ ఆల్సో గివ్స్ సమ్ ఎనర్జీ ఐ
Yeah,
థింక్.
in these 18 months, whatever the shlokas are there, it is also very important. Like you have to by heart those particular shlokas also, because whenever there is a instance or any chance is there, you should be able to uh, deliver it spontaneously, not like with having books. So whatever the shlokas are there, what we do is it's something like as requested, and also I'll just talk to Archana madam regarding the same. We'll have those because already we are uploading those particular videos, and the chanting of the shlokas, how many are interested or not, I'm not sure. So once at the ending of the session, whatever are there within the subject session, we don't interpret anything, we don't interrupt anything, only like ending related, whatever the half an hour time duration, whatever we've kept, we'll see that whatever the selected shlokas are there that can be chanted. Other shlokas can be practiced based on the videos available. You can chant those shlokas. That practice can be
థాంక్
done.
యూ సో
I'll
మచ్.
just talk to madam regarding the same.
యాహ్! అట్‌లీస్ట్ ఎందుకంటే అవి చాంటింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఏం పని చేసినా అది విల్ హావ్ సమ్ ఎనర్జీ. ఇట్ విల్
Yes,
ఎఫెక్ట్.
yes.
Because we are applying to that life, and at least if we if అది మన ఇంకోళ్ళకి ఎవరికన్నా పిల్లలకి చెప్పినా కూడా
Yeah,
శ్లోక
it can
రూపంలో
be, it
చెప్పినా.
can be done, madam. No issues. I'll
థాంక్ యూ సో
just
మచ్.
talk to madam. So any otherwise we'll just close this particular session. Any administrative related are there, you can ask me. Otherwise, whatever messages are there, whatever the changes are there, I'll just putting it onto the group, and also email ID. Email will be sent to the people. Kindly check, and whatever the queries, if you have any queries, you can directly WhatsApp me, so that we don't speak regarding more on regarding administrative related during the sessions. It's only like subject related. Unnecessarily administrative related queries if comes here, then it is completely waste of time. So I'm available on WhatsApp. Whatever queries you are having, you can just post me there, and I will just reply you back in the group. Anyone can message me in the my personal window. The same reply I don't give it to you, but I'll give it to the group, so that people will understand there is a query and query is addressed. Okay, that is first thing. And next thing is like we are just last session related, I just spoke with the madam, and also regarding the uh, sessions related interruption between for 40 seconds or 40 minutes related. Why we are doing this particular practice is like we are having difficulty in cutting those videos and upload it directly. We are unable to upload completely 1 hour session or 2 hours videos to the YouTube. Then otherwise I need to cut it all videos and upload it to the system. So that is why this practice I just done. If any inconvenience, next class also it will be same. 40 minutes will be following. If it is going to be interruption for subject related, then we'll go for the continuous version. It will be 2 hours without any interruption. Class will happen. So we are just having a testing for that one, so that even for administrative purpose we don't face any difficulty. Only because of that particular reason we are just going with this 40 minutes cut. Okay, so any queries you can ask. We are open for 2 more minutes. Later we'll just cut it down.
Sir, do you have any other separate window for giving meditation? Not in the Bhagavad Gita class, but
Ah,
separately meditation classes. Who are interested for
medit-
meditation?
for meditation related, madam was already doing, I think, from 41 days challenge or 20 days yoga and meditation related. I'll just check with madam, and other in anyone interested, we'll just make it to that one. I'll just check
Yeah,
with
it's
madam. Otherwise, we'll make it that if you need any specific help, that can be handled, madam.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
And work on 1 week
Yeah,
silence
yeah,
for
yeah,
this
please.
NL.
No,
We
no,
have
you don't
pending.
work on silent related. You participate, but you disconnect that one. I never say that someone goes silent because you are in a family life, which is not right to be silent. It's always good to be speaking, but you should know how much time you need to speak. We always see people continuously speaking, even for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, they continuously speak without any interruption. So that should not happen. So you should know where to put a comma and where to put a full stop. That's all.
Yeah, conscious
Yeah.
working.
That can be done
Conscious
only
working.
with the practice. As
Yeah.
even
Thank you.
Krishna said, or right now Archana madam also said the same thing. Like it is a continuous practice. Once you are done, it will be done. Definitely, I think you will change in that area.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Rajnikant garu, any queries available? Rajya
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi.
Happy Diwali to you.
Happy
You as
Diwali,
well.
sir. Any queries, sir?
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. And Rajya Lakshmi garu, any queries? CH Rajya Lakshmi.
Hello, Andy. Happy Diwali, sir.
Happy Diwali, madam. Any queries regarding administrative or subject related?
I attended today late. Just now I attended, so today I don't have any doubts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Neeraj Sharma. And I think we are done. So thank you all. We'll be posting continuous messages in groups, and also communication will be shared through emails to all members. So whoever are having any queries, you can directly ping me, only for administrative related. And subject related, don't post any queries regarding to Archana madam also. It will be only discussed in classroom. Next thing, next class we'll discuss, like we are coming, we just want to start another group, that is level 1. We want to start a group. In that group, it will be only for a discussion purpose. That group will be only for a discussion purpose, and it will carry with a time stamp. It's something like the window will be open at 10 o'clock and close at 5 o'clock. So that in that particular time, if someone wants to discuss anything regarding the subject related, there should always a discussion should happen. So because the main group, we cannot open for everyone for a discussion, because unnecessary forward messages, all those things comes into the picture. That is why that group will be same, and we'll open after 1 or 2 classes. We'll open by December 1st, I think. we'll discuss with everyone and open another group, that is level 1, for the discussion purpose. Yes, Srilata garu, you have a query? You raised a hand, I think.
No, sir, I'm good. I'm good. I'm getting many doubts with this. I'll have many doubts. Sir.
You can directly post me. Administrative related, anything is there, you can post me in my personal window and I'll
Sure.
reply you there. Okay. So those can be addressed. Yeah. Right then. Thanks a lot. Thank you everyone. And have a great day. Even today is Diwali. So happy Diwali to all who are there present and celebrating Diwali today. And wish you all happy Diwali, and we'll meet you all in the next week. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wish you the same.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, Auntie. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.